This entire area is flooded.
हम लोग अपडेट्स दे रहे हैं ना।
Everyone, this is a really big emergency. We are at the shelter. The whole shelter is flooded. We need people who have four-wheel drives to please make their way to us in Malir Kant. You can get in touch with us. The issue is that our drainage system is really good actually. It's the people, the neighbors, they all directed their sewerage towards us. So because of that and because of the bad planning that they've done, our animals are suffering. We have lost one kitten and one cat right now. Everyone else is still hanging in there, but we don't know what they're gonna, what is gonna happen. We will need money. I don't know why I'm crying on live video. The shelter is ruined, so we're gonna need help. Sorry, I don't know why I'm crying, but we'll need help putting everything back together. Everything is ruined. We're just waiting so we can get the animals to safety. We just need an excavator really quickly so we can cut the road from both sides so we can remove the water properly. We have to drain out the water. Other than that, then we need towels. We lost our entire monthly supply of dry food which we have, and our canned food for the animals. My checkbook, I fell in the rain, so my checkbook fell, so we don't have any money right now. So hard cash is even good. Just we need to fix everything. We don't have food for the animals. They have. So we have the excavator. I'm so tired, I don't even know what I'm saying. We have the excavator right here. It's very kind of them to come in. Hey guys, this is Aisha and this is an appeal to all of you to please help us with our GoFundMe campaign. We have increased our goal amount because there was a flood at our shelter about 2 weeks ago. We were not prepared because no one had anticipated in Karachi that the flood would be this big, that the Malir river, the barriers, they broke and the river overflowed into this entire land which is all low-lying. So we were submerged in water, us and our 500 animals, for about 21 hours before help arrived. A lot of things have got damaged, so we do have to rebuild a lot, and we will need all the help that we can get right now. This was completely unexpected and we really hope nothing like this happens again. So now we just got to do whatever we can in our situation to make the best of it, and we just really hope you guys will help us. So please click on our GoFundMe campaign link. It is legitimate, it is solid, we will get the money, and we really appreciate your help. Thank you.